Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe something you did in your study/work that has made you feel confident. You should say, when and where did it happen? What did you do? Why did it make you feel confident? And explain how did you feel about it. During my last year of college, I gave a presentation on artificial intelligence in modern education, which was one academic activity that greatly increased my confidence. About a year ago, at a seminar session in my classroom, each student was required to present a topic in front of their peers and teachers. I've always been anxious about public speaking. Despite my thorough knowledge of the material, I frequently faltered or overlooked important details when speaking in front of an audience. I therefore made the decision to prepare differently when I was given this topic. I taped my speech to make sure it was clear and timed, practiced a lot in front of the mirror, and even got input from a close friend. In order to accompany my talk, I also created a neat and eye-catching PowerPoint presentation containing important details and images. I was a little anxious on the day of the seminar, but as soon as I spoke, I settled into a rhythm. I spoke naturally without consulting my notes, used hand gestures, and kept eye contact. At the end, I got a wave of applause from the attentive crowd. My teacher later complimented me on my clarity, self-assurance, and preparation. Since it was my first time giving a public presentation without anxiety, this experience gave me a great sense of pride and confidence. It demonstrated to me that you can overcome any shortcoming if you are prepared and have confidence in yourself. I feel a lot more at ease speaking now, whether it's at interviews, group discussions, or even when I'm getting ready for the IELTS speaking exam. For me, it was a sea change in my communication and self-belief. To sum up, that presentation changed my perspective and given me the courage to express myself in both my personal and professional life, in addition to helping me achieve high academic standing. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.